Well, greetings there, fellow model builders. Here is an update on the F-101 Voodoo, and it's coming along nicely. I am making pretty good progress on it. I got the wing assembly glued to the fuselage, and I used the Vallejo liquid resin to take care of that really bad seam along the wings. I'll show you the other side here. And it does a really good job. I really like that that Vallejo. It's this stuff right here. Right here. I've had this for a while, as you can tell, and it's still pretty good. It's kind of like Elmer's glue. It just never goes bad. So there's the cockpit in there, and I'm getting the afterburner cans for the J57. Almost looks like target bullseyes, but it's coming along, and I'm thinking I'll probably be painting maybe sooner than I expected, because I'm making pretty good progress. So it's coming along. Oh, it's got the, on the bottom here, it's got that, for the weapons, it's got the thing that spins. And I really don't like it because it leaves a really nasty gap. And I'm almost thinking of just picking a side and just sealing it up in there, but we'll see. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So, but I got the nose gear assembly right there. It's coming along. So that's that for the F-101 Voodoo. Hopefully here pretty soon I'll be getting ready to paint. Much sooner than I was anticipating. So with that, you all have a great day. Happy model building, everybody. Take care.